New realities from conceptual learning. Every time we're confronted by new situations, we have to deal with new experiences. This is an opportunity for us to make sense of them, and we make sense of them based on old concepts that we hold. Once we detect something new, some new information, what we try to do is make sense of it in relation to the concepts that we already have. What we do is we make analogies with other things that we already know. And we do this by thinking back through the experiences we have and finding points of comparison and points of contrast. And what this means is that gradually, as a reflective practitioner, we go through a process of extending and changing the concepts that we have. They start to evolve with the experiences that we have. And what this means is that new concepts begin to emerge, and new concepts then can actually trigger new learning processes. For example, the assimilation or the incorporation of new concepts will begin to transform the way we think and the way we behave in any situation. And what this means is that that will begin to have an impact on us and our roles in the people around us, the whole world around us. With these new learning processes, then what emerges are new concepts, concepts which have changed, and therefore we begin to perceive and understand things very, very differently. And new concepts also begin to emerge as we start to question differently the experiences that we have. And what this leads to, most importantly, is what's called a conceptual reframing of a situation. In other words, we start to look at a situation from a very, very different perspective. And this reframing is part of the new reality. What we do then is improve our understanding of a situation. We see things more deeply, more clearly. And it is also then an opportunity to solve the conflicts that we had previously, and maybe to begin to find new strategies in order to dealing with situations that we face. And conceptual innovations and these changes give a chance to rethink the whole approach that we have, and also our values, beliefs and assumptions as teachers. And what this actually does for us is lead us to a point where there are many new opportunities, many new possibilities that we can begin to engage with as reflective practitioners. Because what this new reality will provide for us is an opportunity for a paradigm shift. A paradigm shift is a complete change in perspective on how the world is viewed, on how situations are perceived, and our roles and actions within those situations as they occur and after they occur.